Oh no, what have I done? I'm gonna swiftly move on from that one. With help of Jesse was filming, but you can't be getting out of fucking bed when I drive all the way to Birmingham. Fucking just bought tyres off. Fucking 10 mil on that, man. Yeah, lads. Good morning, lads. You're joining me from the garage, and the Clio is on the. Look at them both together. They're so cute. The Clio is on the drive. It's a big day for the Clio. It's a big day for the goddamn Clio. But we're waiting for Jesse. Jesse's late out of bed again. Shock. But we're waiting for Jesse because this is one of the jobs where you really need someone else to film while you do it. But I'm just going to get everything set up now. And we have got another friend in this video, another good friend. Now, I actually did buy a rattle gun off eBay ages ago, and then you charge the battery and it takes off about 5 wheel nuts and then it dies. So we have another friend. Sorry, I need to put that camera. I keep looking at that. I just don't know if the light is decent, you know what I mean? Got another friend, INSTALLMENT. I've actually sent me one of their rattle guns and a battery and a charger, and this battery lasts for it can take off 400 wheel nuts on and off, and that before it needs charging. So we're going to be using this today. It can't actually wait. Seems sick. It's rubber as well. It's going to be absolutely mad. So he's going to help massively with this job. So shout out to INSTALLMENT, and they actually have a load of tools. They're a little bit like other companies, you know, where they've got one battery that fits all tools. So go and show them some love, guys. We might get some more shit from them. But the part, I did say JMRS are going to come through and send us some good stuff. And this is some good stuff, lads. Perfectly packaged. Now, I know what that is. That is the new wing mirror, because a lot of you have noticed the wing mirror on this side is disgusting. So we got a new wing. They sent me a new wing mirror, which is awesome. This is the track suspension. Finally, we're gonna have some lows on the Clio. This was a big decision for me, because I'm always a guy who goes for coilovers over springs. But with the Clio and stuff, everyone was just saying the complete opposite. Everyone was saying there's no point going for coilovers. The coilovers for the sports are like $1,000. And they were saying that if you get a better suspension setup on springs and shocks, they're way better anyway. So what we've got is brand new cup shocks, so off the Clio Cup shocks. And we've got some Cooksport Springs. Now I know what they are, obviously from the Megane days. The Cooksport Springs are like, they're one of the best ones you can get for track orientation and, you know, how the car sits as well. So I'm going to open these up now. There we go, unboxed with the magic of editing. Now these are actually brand new cup shocks from Renault, and they've got the Cooksport Springs, which JMRS had in from one of the old cars they had in. So they've sent me it assembled, so absolute G's, with new top mounts as well. So if you do want any Clio parts, make sure you go to JMRS. I can't stress that enough. Like, they're absolutely amazing. I hate when people walk past. It's so awkward to talk to a camera when people walk past. I got these for so cheap. So JMRS, I love you so much. But I'm gonna wait for Jesse before I start taking shit off. And oh no, I've just thought of something. Oh no, them damn things. I vaguely remember seeing the key as well, and I don't know where I put it. I thought it was just something stupid when I stripped the car out, but I don't think it was something stupid when I stripped the car out. It was definitely the key for that. I could probably just use pliers, but still, why have I threw that away? I think I did actually throw it away. Or is it in the boxes of where the... Oh no. I don't see why I shouldn't just be able to use like pliers or something. Come on. Okay. Okay, we're good, we're good. I thought it's been one of those days where you have to stop a video for a fucking bolt or something. Right, Jesse's taking fucking ages, so we're just gonna crack on. I remember that when he wants to lift it other side of fucking Birmingham, the bastard. Right, I'm gonna scoot round and get all these stupid centre caps off. I'm hoping that because they've got these on, they don't have lock and wheel nuts as well. I'll be very, very, very fuming if they do, but let's just find out. Okay, good, thank you, Renault. And of course there's one that's always going to be a fucking twat. This one is not coming off. This one is, as you can see, I have been hammering it with a hammer, trying to get it spinning, and it's just not. Fucking twat. Right, I hammered on a 14 mil, and it's coming now. Piece of fucking shit. Right, let's give the INSTALLMENT ratchet a test. Now this is 1/2 inch. It's really small, but it's got a lot of torque. Now I've not moved these wheel nuts, so let's see if it can get it off. Like, I've not break a bar and loose, and I don't know the last time this wheel's been off, but let's see what it can do. Ooh! struggle with that one. Oh shit, I'm not jacked the car up. Oh no, what have I done? Oh no, sorry. Oh my god, right, the disc is on the wheel, so that's okay. Oh my god, am I fucking stupid? Right, okay. I'm really, what am I doing? Jack up the fucking car, you prick. Right. We got a little bit of mark on the wheel, but that's just a graze, that's fine. Oh my god. Okay, the disc is fine. Okay, we're good, we're good. Everyone's gonna go mad at the comments now, but I think I'm gonna leave that in the video just for the banter. I think we're just gonna swiftly move on from that one. Yeah, we'll just swiftly move on. Right, let's crack on. Damn Einhell, you got me excited and you made me lose my fucking head. Shout out to Renault's strong steel discs. Right. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Stop cocking your leg, you dirty bitch. Put it down. Right, come on, Einhell. It's jacked up now. Do your fucking damage. What a fucking beast. What a fucking beast, man. What a fucking beast. What a fucking beast. Right, first things first. I'm a realist. I'm gonna WD-40 the shit out of these bolts. The shit out of these bolts. I don't know how they're attached to the top. I don't know if it's bolted in or if it's like one of those stupid Vauxhall things where it's just clipped with a plastic ting. But let's go get some WD-40 and blast the shit out of these bolts. Right, she's soaking. I'm not sure how these come off though. They're not bolted. It looks like they must spin off or something. Let's have a look at these ones. How do they work? Ah, okay. So that's, so there's two bolts. Okay, so that's technically the top mount to the strut. And then that's just threaded on there. Okay, so there's two bolts, okay. I just don't want to pull off this bolt and then the spring just fucking fall apart. Right, we're going to abuse this gun, lads. We're going to see what it can fucking do, you know. Can I get... Oh my god. What a fucking G, man. Come on. Right, this is the ultimate test. If I can get these, I highly doubt it will, because these are tight, man. Like, these are tough to get up with a breaker bar. But let's just see. What? I know this might look like over the top promo, but I am genuinely shocked. Like, actually, genuinely. So small as well. I didn't think it'd be that good, to be honest. Thread on the bolt, just so you don't mash up those threads, my man. Come on. Hang on, lads, might need two hands for this one. I mean, you know, would help if Jesse was filming, but you can't be getting out of fucking bed when I drive all the way to fucking Birmingham. Doing a lot of hammer on this bottom one, guys. He is coming now. Unlike Jesse, who's not coming because I took it to fucking Birmingham and he can't be getting out of bed. There you go, you little back. Strut's loose. Right, that's the old strut. Where is the new one? There we go. Doesn't look that much lower, to be fair. But we're not really after stance. As long as it drives good and handles well. That's really all we really want, to be fair. Like, so it's not actually that much lower, to be honest. This is the cup shock with the Cooksport spring. This is just standard non-cup suspension. Oh, it's a shell, it's a non-cup. I'm excited. The good thing is, the rears, I'm pretty sure, well, they're 100% sure that the shocks are separate from the springs. So it should just be the case of dropping the rear beam and then just, you know, banging the springs in. But I don't exactly know where the struts go in, so it could be easy, could be difficult, but we'll see. This one, to be fair, these have been okay so far. These have been quite enjoyable. Fiddling this thing in is quite, you know, it's quite difficult, to be fair. This side came out really easy. This one did not. Man, this is just the old Renault with their great suspension setups. Don't get me wrong, they've got great suspension setups, but getting the bastards in and out is bastards. Put the angry bit here, lads. I've gone in like this, underneath the brake line. Now, we can push that up in there. Let me tighten this bad boy. I feel like it should go tighter than that. We are quite a way off there. Because I thought, usually when you put lower springs on and lower coilovers and stuff, that you need to jack the hub up to it, obviously, because you've got a short distance between the spring and the hub. But now. 2 hours late, lad.
Hey.
After I spent a whole day driving to fucking Birmingham and rushing to work, and you can't even get out of fucking bed.
Hey, I woke up, edited a video.
I'm gonna pause it there because it's all fucking bullshit. A bit further, you ready? Go. There you go. Right, cool, let go. Mate, this gun is the fucking best thing ever.
You still reckon you're going to beat the EP?
Yep.
That's got more torque than fucking EP, that.
Probably, yeah. I think it actually has.
Yeah, it probably has.
I'm not air gunning these down all the way or rattle gunning them because I don't think top mounts aren't really supposed to be that tight because they need to be a little bit plainer. So I'm just going to do it until I can feel quite a bit of resistance from the strut, like there. They do turn, to be fair.
Yeah.
So, right, that'll do. The side and then the back. The back should be pretty easy, to be fair. Well, yeah, I'm going to put wheels on, we'll drop it and we'll see what it's saying.
I'm intrigued.
I am. I'm a bit worried, to be fair.
Don't be worried, it's a track car. You got that?
What about what? I know that these springs are low, so if they're not low.
Oh, you're worried about them being too high?
No, I'm just worried about them fucking not being on properly because I know that these springs are low.
Oh Lord.
That's not too bad actually. No, fucking I hate it when it does this. Right, we need to put it on a brick. So.
Oh, for fuck's sake. I can't remember how high it was last time, to be fair.
Higher than that.
Was it?
Yeah.
Fucking just bought tyres off.
Fucking 10 mil on that, lad. Look at these little fucking frying pans.
Oh.
They're lovely, aren't they?
Mate, they look like they've got sugar inside and you can just bite them.
Beautiful.
They're cute, they are.
Cute.
Well, it's better than drums, isn't it? Well, actually, I don't know that.
Yeah. Drums don't do anything.
Hey, they make for good handbrake turns, though.
Well, yeah. Well, we all know this don't do any fucking handbrake turns.
Yeah, that's the logo does. Got it there in the end.
Bit of heat sorts anything. Oh. You know what, I think this is just 2 bolts, my guy.
Ah.
2 bolts and that bar's going to go dung. And then we're going to need another jack, so actually I'm going to have to jack this down on a jack stand. Let's see, I don't even know if there's a 19, we're going to whack it anyway. Look at that.
Mate, that is the best tool I've ever seen in my life. Watch me WD-40, lad. It's worth a lot, that. Why have we not bought one of them sooner?
Well, I did, but I bought a crap one off eBay. And I'd charge it, I'd get about 4 wheel nuts off it and it'd die.
Wow. You need to put that meme in there where that guy goes, wow.
I've not heard that one.
Have you not?
Obviously, you know the Owen Wilson one.
I think that's it. Oh, wow.
Right, let's get this top bad boy out. Outfits and look at the mushrooms are coming out.
I told you to take them out there, wait, they are.
Look at that. Why is my camera not making a little bing noise anymore?
Because you've turned it off, do you want me to sort it for you?
Turn it back on. I'm going to push this through the car on this side first.
Yep.
What you need to do is when it goes to the hole, put, is it that way or that way?
I'd say that way.
Yeah, I think it is that way.
Huh?
No, it's that way. Fucking hammer. Try and then put the bolt on, yeah?
Aye.
But don't rattle gun it down.
No, I wouldn't dream of it. More.
That's as far as it goes.
I can't get the nut on. It's not going deep enough, it's not...
Oh, I'm sure it's fucking... Wait, did I film all that else?
No. You need to take some...
Not there, go that way.
You need to take that off.
There you go. Right.
Yeah, I've got that part here. That needs coming off, doesn't it?
Oh, right. Oh, that's the old one, isn't it?
Oh, come on. What's that doing, pissing around?
Does it go like that?
Hold on, Daz has lost the fucking...
I've got the metal thing on there.
Ah, it's alright then. That's it. Daz is trying to put 2 rubber things on it.
Well, that's what we need to do, isn't it?
No, because that's... What you...
We do.
We don't...
I had 3 rubber things on it, that's why.
No, you take that off.
But that can't sit against that metal on there.
No, you put that on, then fuck that off, and then we've got the new ones, wherever they are.
That is the new one.
Oh yeah, then leave that, then you put that through the oil and I put both them on.
Right.
You with me? So I take them. Hold on, you put that silver one on there. We'll get there in the end.
Right, there we go.
Wait for it. Oh, look at that!
This is why we can't handbrake turn, mate.
Ah, is the handbrake on?
Yeah.
That's decent. That is what it is.
The cable snapped. The cable must have snapped. Right, we're dropped. It's better. Miles better. Obviously not as low as like the Evo and shit, but I'm not really that arsed. Looks way better. And I just can't wait to have a fucking drive it, to be fair. Right, before we take it for a spin, I'm going to put the new wing mirror on. From JMRS. What does that stand for? Jolly Massive Raging Sexy Man. That's the one.
This is Massive Rancid Slong.
It's just 3 bolts probably behind this ting. Connector, and we're done. What bolts are they? 10? Looks like a 10 or an 8. Out with the old, in the new, yes. Right, we're gonna go for the first drive. First thoughts, I have an exhaust hang with the back, which is pretty much non-existent. So sometimes the exhaust would like rattle against the rear beam. Now that the rear beam's close to the exhaust because the car's lower, it's rattling way worse. But the car just feels way more safe. Just couldn't like curb then, and it kind of felt like I was on coilovers. So the exhaust is much worse because it's like lower to the rear beam now.
Oh dear.
Yeah.
That's not good.
Let's see.
Oh, that's on the exhaust.
It's on the exhaust. Why cars feel quick when you're on coilovers? When you put your foot down, you lose a lot of like, you know, when it does that with the softness.
Yeah, yeah.
It takes a lot of the force, the inertia out of it. Right, let's see.
Go on, send it. I want to see that.
Definitely feels stiffer.
I want to see that wheel cock.
Let's try. Hopefully we can get some speed off the roundabout.
Go! Oh, it's better. Yeah, that's...
It's tight, isn't it?
Yeah.
You know, the back end likes to come out these very easily.
Is it?
About time, as soon as... It's weird, like if you go around and you're on throttle, it's fine. As soon as you come off that throttle, all that weight just goes in the back and it just goes woof. It's a bit like the Evo where it's, you know, it's still controllable when it does it though. It's quite fun. Yeah. We still need some decent tyres and some decent wheels, but it is a lot better.
It is better.
A lot better. Okay guys, so I'm back. Just come back home. I'm going to get this video edited. ASAP Rocky ting. So once again, huge thank you to INSTALLMENT. Please go and check them out. Go and check some of their products out. I'm hoping they're going to be sending me some more stuff because that rattle gun is absolutely insane. And again, huge thank you to JMRS. They give me them coilovers, the springs, so cheap. And I speak to him every single day, and he's such an amazing guy. So please go over to, they're trying to grow their community Facebook page. It's like a group, so please go and join that group. It'll mean a lot to me. And then, as again, the more numbers we get, the more free shit we're going to get for the Clio. Not free shit, but the more shit we're going to get for the Clio. Yeah, I do pay for a lot of things, guys. So thank you so much. The Clio handles so much better now. It's so much stiffer. I can't wait to get on track. I do need some new wheels. I might have something sorted for that later on tonight. But thanks for watching, guys. I hope you love this. See you next one.